आज एक ऐसा दिन था where the setup was perfect, the entry was perfect, but the execution let me down. Trade 1 had the potential to give me 50 points and I walked away with a fraction of that. But trade 2 made up for it. Let's talk about what happened and why. Today is Tuesday 13th of May 2026, Nifty non-expiry session, and from the opening itself market gave a clear signal. Nifty opened flat today between previous day low and CPR. Initially it moved up, but the very first 5 minutes candle got pushed down sharply from 23,500 and the 50 EMA. And when that candle closed, it was a very big upper wick candle. Classic rejection signal. Buyers tried to push higher, sellers were firmly in control at that level. My first trade entry happened while this candle was still forming. I entered 23,500 CE sell. The reason, a strong confluence of two levels acting as resistance, 50 EMA and CPR central pivot, both at the same zone. When two strong levels align like this, it creates a powerful resistance area. SL was 10 points and my target was previous day low. Honestly, the entry was perfect. Trade started moving in my direction and this trade had a potential to give almost 50 points profit. But my TSL was placed incorrectly and I got stopped over very early. Total profit from the main leg only 676, with my PE hedge giving 600 profit and CE hedge giving 250 loss. Net profit from this trade was around 1000. Was I frustrated? Absolutely. 50 points were there on the table and I walked away with a fraction of that. But let me explain why I trailed so quickly, because it wasn't random. The first 3 to 4 candles of any session are always very violent. Big candles form, sharp moves happen and reversals can be sudden. That reversal candle which had formed, I was scared it could come back and hit my SL. So I thought better take small profit and exit than risk giving back everything. The logic wasn't wrong, but the execution of trailing was too aggressive. Next time, trail with more room in the early candles rather than tightening to TSL too quickly. After the initial fall, market halted near CPR weekly S3. Now weekly S3 is a significant support level, and when market pauses at such a level, it often sets up either a bounce or a continuation. My logic here was market had directly broken previous day low without retesting it. In trading, when a key level breaks without a retest, the market often comes back to test that level before continuing in the same direction. So I was expecting a pullback till previous day low, just a retest, not a full reversal. I entered 23,250 PE sell, SL was 10 points and target was either 3000 or previous day low. The trade worked well, market moved in my direction and I booked 2800 profit on the main leg. PE hedge loss was 390, so net profit was 2400. Now, was this the perfect exit? Not exactly, because what I was expecting to be just a pullback to previous day low actually turned into a full market reversal. So technically more profit was possible. But do I regret this exit? Honestly, no. This was a risky trade to begin with. Taking a sell trade when market was already showing signs of exhaustion near a strong support level. 2800 on main leg, given the risk involved, was a clean and sensible exit. Sometimes locking in good profit is better than holding for perfection. Two trades for the day. Decided to stop after trade 2. Market wasn't showing proper entry signs. No point forcing a third trade in the market that had changed character. Overall profit for the day was around 3500. तो आज का दिन प्रॉफिटेबल रहा, बट ऑनेस्टली द फीलिंग इज मिक्स्ड. Trade 1 had everything going for it, perfect confluence, perfect entry, and the execution and exit let me down. Pehla lesson, trailing too aggressively in every candle costs you point. Opening candles are volatile, that is true, but tightening your TSL too quickly means you get stopped out before the real move happens. Going forward, I need to give trades more room in the first few candles and only start trailing once the move has established itself. दूसरा lesson, sometimes pullbacks becomes a reversal. In trade 2, what I expected to be a simple retest of previous day low turned into a full trend reversal. I couldn't have known that upfront and the exit I took was sensible given the context. This is a reminder that in trading you act on the information available at that moment. Not every trade will capture the full move and that is completely okay. तीसरा lesson, know when to stop. After two trades with good setups, market character had changed. Stopping here was the right call. Overall एक अच्छा दिन था. Trade 1 frustration aside, the decision making today was largely sound. Entry quality is improving, exits still have room to grow. And that is exactly what this journey is about. Have you ever trailed too aggressively and missed a big move? Or had a pullback trade turned into a full reversal on you? Do let me know in the comment section. Would love to know how you handle these situations. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ वैल्यू मिली, फील फ्री टू लाइक द वीडियो। और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.